Okay, I'm going to do another video here. We're going to do our molecular complete and our net ionic equations. So we're going to say we have our aqueous sodium chloride is added to aqueous silver nitrate to form what? We don't know. We're going to find out, and for this we're going to have our paper, and we're going to have our periodic table and our general solubility rules. I don't know why that's not focusing. Anyways, so we're also going to read what the types of equations for reactions in aqueous solutions. So we're going to do our molecular one now. The molecular equation shows the overall reaction, but not necessarily the actual forms of the reactants and products in solution, which is actually a really long way of writing it, and I mean, of like stating what it is. It's actually not as complicated as all that. It's just what we're going to get out of our reaction. So we have our molecular equation. We have aqueous sodium chloride. So we know that sodium is a +1. And we have our chloride, and that's a -1. So we have aqueous sodium chloride. So aqueous plus, what is it? Aqueous silver nitrate. So silver is Ag. Nitrate is NO3. NO3. And we know it's NO3 because it ate something, so it's bigger. That's a -1 and this is a +1, so there it is. And they go together, and this is how we were taught to do it in class. So we have our, trying to figure out what is going to go here. This is our product reactants. So we're going to have sodium, and we have chloride, and we have silver and nitrate, sorry. And that's the negative. So what we're going to do is we're going to mix this up. So this is one, this is one. We're going to cross them. So we're going to have sodium nitrate. In these, the positive one always comes first. So the kitty comes first. The cation comes first. That's my cat. Okay, so we know we have NaNO3. We don't know what the phase is yet because we haven't looked at our solubility table yet. So we have NaNO3, and that just leaves AgCl. So silver chloride. And again, we don't know the phase yet, but that is where our solubility table comes in. So we have our general solubility rules, and I'm going to take a look at number 3 just because I know which one this is already. All chloride salts are soluble except for silver chloride. So we know that's got to be a solid. So this is aqueous and solid. Okay, so for the next part is our complete. It is everything that's in the equation. It's like our recipe for the equation. So we're going to write it down. Na+, which is sodium. And because it came from an aqueous solution, it's going to remain aqueous. It will forevermore be aqueous. So Cl-, also aqueous, plus silver, and we know, oops, that one is also aqueous, plus nitrate, nitrate, aqueous. So we have that. This is all of our products. Here is our little arrow. So we have this aqueous solution. So aqueous on the product side can break down. So we're going to have sodium again, aqueous. Oops, that doesn't look, okay, plus nitrate, aqueous, plus, and because this is a solid, it is not going to break down. Never breaks down again. So there we have it. We have sodium chloride, silver nitrate combines to form sodium and nitrate and gold chloride. So for our net equation, what we do is we have, I'm just going to put my arrow here right now. We have what are known as spectator ions. So spectator ions are things that do nothing in the equation. They really just hang out and just add bulk. So what we know is important in our equation is our gold chloride, because that's a solid. We know it's never ever going to break down again. Gold chloride. So the rest of the equation, we're just going to take a look at the whole, and we're going to start with sodium. So we have sodium here, and we have sodium there. It's not doing anything. Cross it out. Sorry. And then we have chlorine, but that's actually right here. It's not doing, it's actually forming a solid, so we're going to keep it. And we have silver, and over here it's forming a solid, so we're going to keep it. That leaves us with nitrate, and that's here, so the same thing, cross it out. And that leaves us with our net ionic equation of chlorine plus, no, that's not even right, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have circled it. I'm sorry. No, that's right. Oh my gosh, I've been studying too much. Okay, so we have whatever circled, chlorine and silver. And we write it with its phase and its charge. So chlorine and silver go together to form silver chloride. So that is our molecular, the kind of basic equation, our complete, which is everything, every little part of it broken up, and our net, which is the final. It's like only the things that matter. It's none of that bull crap up top here. And I hope that makes sense. Yeah. Bye.